Today I'm going to show you how to use the partial quotient method to divide. So I'm going to take my 516 and I am dividing it into 4 equal groups. So over on my right I'm going to make my 4's tower to help me because I know that division is the inverse of multiplication. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So now I'm looking at my 516 and I see a 5 here. So I want to get the closest I can to 5 without going over. On my tower here, I see 4 is the closest I can get to 5. So I'm going to put that 4 underneath my 5 and underline it. And then I want to make my 4 the same amount of digits as my 516. So I'm going to tack on 1, 2 zeros to make it the same amount of digits. So I'm subtracting 400. Division is the same thing as repeated subtraction. So I'm subtracting this group. And I know that to get to 400, I multiplied 4 times 100. Now I can subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. So now I can't make a group with my 1 of 4, so I'm going to underline my first 2 digits to get 11. I'm going to go look at my tower. The closest I can get to 11 without going over, I can't go over because I'm going to be subtracting, is 8. So this is a little tricky. When I put my 8 under my 11, I need to make sure I'm putting it in the ones place of the 11, not over here in the tens place of the 11. Then I'm going to tack on 1 0 to make them the same amount of digits and subtract. I know to get my 80, I did 4 times 1, 2, and tack on that 1 0. Now I can subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. I can't do 1 minus 8. Same subtraction rules apply, so I'm going to go over here and regroup. 11 minus 8 is 3. So now I'm left with 36 that I need to put into 4 groups. So I'm going to go look at my tower, and I see exactly 36 on my tower. So I can put that right in here. And to multiply by 4 to get 36, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 4. Once I subtract, I get 0, so I don't have any remainder. So now I took part of the quotients. I'm going to look at all of the groups of 4 that I made and put them together to find my answer, my quotient. So I'm adding up all of these groups of 4 that I made. 100 plus 20 plus 9. Notice how I'm lining them up by place value. Gets me 129 as my final quotient, my final answer.